Okay, so this video is going to be on concentration of solutions. So in this video, I'm just going to introduce you guys to different ways that you can actually express concentration. So there's several different ways that you can express concentration of a solution. The most common way in chemistry that we express concentration of a solution is with molarity. So molarity is abbreviated with a capital M, and it is equal to moles of solute per volume of solution in liters. So an important thing to remember here is that solution is equal to solute plus solvent. So it's the total volume of the solution that you're going to prepare. So in order to calculate molarity, we use formula. So capital M for molarity, so I'll write it out again, is equal to moles of solute divided by liters of solution. Okay? Two. Another common way, it's less common than molarity, but we do use it occasionally in chemistry, is molality. Molality is equal to the number of moles of solute per kilogram of solvent. Okay, so there's an important distinction there. It's per kilogram of solvent, not solution. Okay, so the formula for molality is molality, which is a lowercase m, and we usually do a cursive m so you can distinguish it from meters, is moles of solute divided by kilograms of solvent. Okay, so remember right now I'm just showing you guys the different types of ways you can express concentration, and then in the next video we'll start doing examples of calculating concentration. Okay, so don't get bogged down in this right now. So another way you can express concentration is by mass percent. So mass percent is the percent by mass, if you haven't guessed, of the solute in the solution. Okay, so the formula for that is mass percent, and there's not an abbreviation for that. You would write mass with a percent sign if you wanted to abbreviate it. Is mass of solute divided by mass of solution. So again, it's the total mass of the solution here, not just the solvent, times 100% to get it in a percentage. All right. And the last one that we're going to talk about for now is the mole fraction. So these last two, 3 and 4, are probably used the least often. Mass percent is used fairly often if you're purchasing chemicals from a company. They also use volume percent, which we're not going to talk about right now, but we will in the future. Mole fraction is the ratio of the number of moles of a given compound to the total number of moles of solution. Mole fraction is abbreviated with a capital X. So the mole fraction of compound A, so I'm going to write that in words also, is equal to the number of moles of compound A over number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. I didn't mean to make that top A lowercase. So moles of A over moles of A plus moles of B. So the number on the bottom is the total moles of solution. So total moles of solution is equal to the number of moles of solvent plus moles of solute. So you would have to calculate the moles of the solvent and the solute in order to find your mole fraction. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to be doing some examples, going through each one by one. So in the next video, we're going to start with molarity. So that's going to be chapter 4, part 4 for the examples for molarity.